baking soda. You might have seen this white powder in your kitchen. We use this to make puffy bhaturas or samosas or to bake soft cakes. So first of all, in this video, we will see how baking soda is made and then we will look at its uses. So let's begin. So baking soda is chemically known as sodium hydrogen carbonate and its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Okay, now let's try to guess what chemical compounds would have reacted to give us this compound, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Can you pause the video and guess this by yourself first? Now if you have tried it, let's see. So if I had to take a guess, I see a sodium in the formula, right? So probably I will say that maybe sodium chloride is reacting and sodium is coming from there. And then I see a carbon. So then I would guess that maybe carbon dioxide is also involved in the reaction. That's where we get this carbon. And since there is hydrogen, then probably I'll guess, okay, hydrogen is coming from water maybe. So yes, my guesses will be sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. These three are reacting to give us NaHCO3. Let me just write down. But you know what? There is one more ingredient, one more compound that goes into this mixture. And that is our ammonia, NH3. Okay. So sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia, they all react and NaHCO3 is formed. And with this, we get one more product, NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. So okay, to make baking soda, I need 4 ingredients, sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. Don't forget this one. I usually forget this one, okay? Don't do this mistake. So we need 4 reactants and then I'll get baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. And along with this, one more product is getting formed, ammonium chloride. Now let's look at the common uses of baking soda. So since baking soda gives carbon dioxide, it has got a lot of use in cooking. And for the same reason, it is also used in fire extinguishers. See, carbon dioxide, it can extinguish fires. And that's why we use baking soda in soda acid fire extinguishers. And also, baking soda is basic in nature. So this can be used as an antacid. See, if you have acidity or meaning excess acid buildup in your stomach, then you can take a little bit of baking soda and this can neutralize the acid buildup in your stomach and give you relief. So since baking soda is basic in nature, it can be used as an antacid. And if you're wondering, Ram, how is baking soda basic in nature? Then see, baking soda is a salt, NaHCO3. And we can try to find out its nature. Salts can also be acidic or basic, right? So let's write down its parent acid and base and then try to find out its nature. So the parent base over here will be NaOH. NaOH. And parent acid will be H2CO3. And we know that this base is a strong base, whereas this acid is a weak acid. And whenever strong base reacts with weak acid, we get a basic salt. So this is going to be a basic salt. And if you do not understand what I did over here, then don't worry. I have talked about this. We have studied this in detail in a separate video. So you can watch that and come back over here. So this tells us that NaHCO3 or baking soda is basic in nature. And that's why we can use it as an antacid. We use this to clean our clothes and remove dirty stains. And if you specifically do not have this powder, then you might be using some detergent or washing soap, which are made up of washing soda. So let's see what exactly is washing soda and how is it made and what are its uses. So washing soda, it is chemically known as sodium carbonate decahydrate. Let's write down its chemical formula. See, sodium carbonate is Na2CO3 carbonate, and deca, this means 10, and hydrate, this stands for water. So 10H2O. So Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This is the chemical formula of washing soda. And this 10H2O, this refers to water of crystallization. And don't worry if you haven't studied about this yet. We will talk about water of crystallization in a great detail in a separate video. So for now, the formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Now let's see how to make it. So technically speaking, if you have sodium carbonate or Na2CO3 and you add 10 molecules of H2O to it, So you should get your washing soda, right? Washing soda. It's commonly used for washing purposes. See, it can remove some tough stains from your clothes. And it can also reduce the hardness of water. See, water can sometimes have some minerals dissolved in it, like magnesium carbonate or calcium carbonate or some other minerals. Now, these minerals can make it hard for soap to show its cleaning property. Soap would not be able to make foam when mixed in hard water, and that's why it would not be able to clean properly. Now, when we mix washing soda in this hard water, the molecules of this washing soda, they will attach themselves. They will bind themselves to these minerals and they will take them out. And therefore, the soap will be able to make a lot of foam and will be able to clean properly. Now, because of these reasons, washing soda is a common ingredient for making washing soaps. Now, apart from these, washing soda is also used to make glass. It can be mixed with silica and some other compounds to make soft glass. And also, since washing soda has sodium in it, it can be used as an ingredient to make some sodium compounds. So another use is to make sodium compounds. For example, borax. See, borax is also used for cleaning things, and it can also be used to kill some insects like ants. So these are the uses of washing soda. Now with this,